Does a testimonial or a review gives a complete story? As a business owner, you have worked very hard to achieve one testimonial or a review. How to present it in a way which helps, which gives a complete story. For example, if I tell you I helped my client to reduce 1 kg weight in a month, does it look that good compared to a person whom I've helped to reduce 5 kg weight? It is a variable that matters, right? So, how to tell a complete story of your contribution in your client's life? How did you solve the problem? How to give the complete story? The answer is case study. So, today I have created this video to help you create case studies for your business and how to share them across web. So, it gives a complete picture to your targeted audience about your work. Hi, I am Nikita Vora on a mission to help 10,000 women entrepreneurs to take their business online. Have you known that why is it that people don't give a complete picture or they don't know how to present the complete picture? When somebody says I helped my client to reduce 3 kgs and some other one says I helped my client reduce 15 kg, there is a huge difference. The variable factors are different. So it becomes very important for you to show the complete picture. It will also help your audience or your potential client to make a decision. So how to create this case study, how to present your case in front of your potential clients. So this video is based on case studies. What is case studies? This term is used in research a lot, where you experiment on something, you make a note of it and then you present it. Right? So the major part of the case studies are one, the background, the environment, then the challenge, solutions, and then what significant contribution you have done. Okay, so now let's put it in a business term. How to create a case study for your business. Now, taking an example, first prepare a document. You can use Canva for this. Prepare a document first where you are giving a detail about your clients, what they are into, what are the variables. Okay, after which you can, for example, you can give my client is into a cosmetic industry. Okay, they have been in this business for last 20 years and all they have done is a traditional form of business. Okay, so this becomes a little bit of background about the client. So you now are clear that the client belonged to a cosmetic industry. They had a traditional way of doing business and the duration is 20 years. After which comes the challenge part. Their significant challenge was there was no sales automation in place. They didn't do any part of automation. This helped them, or rather it became a hindrance for them to grow. That's why they approached me to do sales automation. So this becomes the challenge. The challenge is they didn't have any sales automation in place. Now the solution part. I came into the picture, I gave a consultation one-on-one, I helped them with the tools, email automation, website automation and delivery automation. With this, it helped them to reduce the cost of operation. The response time reduced to almost 1 minute. So these are the significant application, the impact. They had a problem and the solution which I offered to them helped them solve the problem. Now the another part or very important part is benefits. Even the focus was to implement sales automation. The additional benefit which they got was to reduce the response time in delivery, response time in inquiry, response time apart from sales process, maybe internal communication. So that becomes their additional benefits. Okay, so the case study goes like this. A client in a cosmetic industry doing traditional way of business came to me with the problem that there was no automation in place for their company. The solution I offered was sales automation for them, and the additional benefit is they reduce the cost of operation, their response time was reduced, and they increase their visibility and sales. So this in a whole bunch becomes your case study. If you want to go one step ahead, you can also share the testimonial which you have received from that particular client. This is the way I present it to my clients or my potential clients. See, the significant challenge. This is a case study of an artist, right? So there were limited source of income or unstable source of income. There was no consistency in brand. What solutions did I offer them? I automated their social media. I helped them to create multiple source of income, and this actually helped them to have a steady content production, relationship building with all their clients, because it was automated, so they can nurture the sales leads, and financial freedom, because there were different part of source of income, financial source of income. They achieved financial freedom. Okay, and this I will back them with the fact, right? The testimonial. So she would actually vouch and verify that this were the challenges, I gave her this solution, and yes, I have made the progress. So this gives the complete picture of what you have done, how important work it is for them to make progress in their business, and how you have impacted their business. Okay, so this is why case study becomes very important. Nowadays people keep spreading their testimonials and review. I feel we should be giving more and more case studies, because it gives again the complete picture than review saying the excellent or superb job done. Okay, I am not saying reviews or testimonials are not important. I am just saying that reviews or testimonials should also be presented with the case study. So any decision maker can take a decision based on all the facts or maximum facts available. Yeah, this helps you to also build trust. If you give people the complete picture, they can trust you, because they can see through the details. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the content, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have questions, do share with me. If you need tools, please ask me. I am also sharing one link in the description box where it is a ready template. You just have to put your challenges, solutions and benefit, and you will have that one page of template ready for you to spread on social media, email marketing, website, WhatsApp catalog. Everywhere you can post this case study and get more clients. I hope you have got something good out of this video. If you have any digital doubts, ask Nikita. Thank you.